Hey, my lovelies. I am just coming in to talk to you about I know some of you watched the live workshop yesterday, and some are watching it on replay. Not everybody's going to get time to watch it, but I really wanted to come in and talk to you about the new course that I talked about yesterday on the live that I didn't even know I was going to do until kind of very late Monday night. And then I had to get everything ready yesterday. So I was basically sort of led by spirit to do this course. And I don't even have a sales page as yet because I was trying to get everything ready for the workshop and everything yesterday. So if you're joining live, just say hello. If you're watching it on replay, just say hello again. And I just want to go through what this course is, how you can join it, how you can access it. And also, I will put some slides into the group as well, so you can see it. And I will be creating a little bit of a sales page today, again, to just give you a little bit more of an idea. But I'm really, 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 really excited about this because I'm so passionate. This is like or will be my signature program, and especially with your help as well. So I am just going to share my screen so that I can show it to you. Okay, so this is the Manifest Your Dream Life course. So it's a 4-week group mentoring course where you will get lifetime access. Okay, it's brand new. As I said, I didn't even know I was going to be doing this until very late Monday night. And I was having a conversation with my partner, and we were talking about what I was going to do. And I said, I think I'm going to do a course. And he was like, well, can you do that in time? And I was like, I can do anything, and we can do anything. And that's what a lot of this course is about, is letting you know and understand that you can do anything that you set your mind to. There are no limits. This is a beta course. So basically what that means is that you will help me to make this course the best, most amazing course it can ever be. Okay, that's what a beta course is. So it's the first time it's ever been run. And yeah, it's to help me, to give me feedback on making sure that when it's launched again and again and again, that it just gets better and better and better and better. And you will help me to do that. Okay, so what is it? Ooh. What do you get? What's included? If you join within the next 72 hours, so this will take us, I think, to the end of Monday evening, you will get 1 month's access to the DMC, which is the Divine Manifestor Circle, which is my monthly membership club. Okay, you will get access to the private Facebook group so that you can take part in the Money Mindset Month, which is what we're focusing on in July. So really focusing on the money mindset, which will then set you up amazingly well for this course. Okay, 4 weeks of super focused manifesting, training, coaching, and guidance. There will be a 6-week supportive private Facebook group where you can get live support from me. So I'll be doing live classes, live Q&As, and everything I can to personally help you. So you will get personal attention from me to help this to be the best 4 weeks of your life, basically, because it will change your life. I can guarantee it will change your life. There will be workbooks, there will be abundance activations, there will be meditations, there will be live classes, there will be Q&As, okay? And you will obviously get access to me in that group, all right? And you will help me to build the best course on manifesting. And the good thing about this being the beta course is that every time I run this course, you will get to join it live again and again and again and again. All right, so you don't just get to do it once, you get to do it every single time. Nobody else will get access to do that, only you as kind of founding beta members. You also get lifetime access to the course. So you can access all of the training within the membership area or within my members area dashboard. So if this sounds a little bit like you, you know, no matter what you do, can't shake the feeling, you don't deserve your dreams, you want results quickly, you get a bit frustrated when you find that your manifesting is not happening, or you don't even know anything really about manifesting because you've not done it before, or you don't keep up your practices daily. You know what you want, or maybe you don't know what you want, but you feel a deep connection, or you don't feel a deep connection to your desires. And this course will help you to transform that. What you'll learn. So you get a structured, simple daily routine that will help you with your manifestation and make it a part of your daily life. Because when we're doing any kind of intentional manifesting, it's really important to have a daily routine that goes with it. That's how you will make a difference, and that's how you will manifest exponentially the things that you want to manifest. There will be exercises to reconnect with your inner desires, align your energy with what truly resonates with your soul. It's a soul-driven program, okay? So we're going to go really inwards to connect with your soul. Strategies to reprogram your subconscious mind, affirmations, visualizations, deep energy work to help unblock a lot of the things that may be stopping you from manifesting. And how to intentionally manifest in the right way. So it's 4 weeks. Okay, now this could change the way that I'm doing this, because I want to make sure we're doing it in the right way. So I may move things around, things may come out, I may add various different things. But week 1, setting the foundations, so you will understand more about manifesting, scripting your desires, power of positive thinking, and energy alignment. The energy alignment is key to this, okay? Once we align our energy to our desires, that's when the magic happens. Week 2, there'll always be a daily routine for you to go through as well. Again, it won't be a massive thing, but if you are committed to manifesting, you need to have a daily routine. Connect inwards, okay? Releasing your desires so that you're not always stuck on the attachment of the outcome. Anchoring techniques and creating an abundance space, or setting up a space in your home that supports your wealth mindset and supports abundance. Week 3, week 4. So week 3 is removing blocks and reframing. So we're going to identify limiting beliefs. It may be that I move that into week 1 or week 2 because I might feel that we need to do that much earlier. But this is just an overall framework. So we will reframe your negative thoughts, bring in forgiveness practices and energetic clearing. Week 4 is the integration and the celebration. So manifestation through play, so fun ways for manifesting, looking out for the synchronicities and signs, and creating a supportive environment. Okay. And future visioning. Future visioning will be key, and we will do future visioning right from the start. So you will be future visioning your future self and connecting with your future self and integrating your future self with your current self in order to manifest quicker and more aligned. Okay. The way it will work, how I'm envisioning it at the moment, will be 2 weeks of class, a week of integration, and then 2 weeks of class and a week of implementation, should I say, not integration. So when does it start? The 8th of July is the money mindset month in the DMC, the Divine Manifestor Circle. That will really set you up for this. And then we start this course on the 5th of August. The course will end on the 16th of September, but you will have lifetime access to it. And also you will have, you can redo it again and again and again and again. Who is it for? People who are seeking personal growth. Now, you joined this vision board group and the manifesting hub for a reason. And that reason is to seek personal growth and to understand and get a clearer vision for your future. you are interested in manifesting and spirituality, law of attraction, and you want to level up, create a life and business of your dreams. That's what this is all about. Okay, that's what law of attraction is. That's what manifesting is. It's about leveling up. You are ready to call in your future self, who is fully in alignment with you, how you want to your life to be. Slight typo there, I need to change that. Who is it not for? So if you're looking for a quick fix or an immediate change without putting in any effort, no. Highly skeptical of manifesting, no. You probably wouldn't be in this group or in the vision board group if you were highly skeptical, but just to highlight that. And also, you're not ready to do the work. So you're not ready to go inward. You're not ready to look at your limiting beliefs or work on your personal growth. If you're not ready to do that, this course is not for you. Fast action bonuses. So if you register within 72 hours, which I said is round about the end of Monday, at whatever time, midnight, I'm going to put it to, I think, you will get the 1 month access to the DMC to take part in the Money Mindset Month. So you will get access to all of the training and all of the workbooks for the Money Mindset Month. You will get to be part of the amazing group of ladies in there who are super supportive. You will get access to the Friday lives that I do as well. You will also get a personal one-to-one distant energy clearing from me to unblock your flow of energy. Okay, so I will be tuning in and finding where you've got some blocks going on, and I will help to unblock that flow. Okay, now we're getting on to the cost of this. And I will just say that it will never, ever, ever be this price again. And I used to charge this price just for 1 day workshop. If you pay in full, it's £99. That is just an incredible price. The next time I run it will probably be 3 times that at least, and it will become higher than that the more times that I run the course. You can do 3 monthly installments, so 38 times 3. Or you can just join the Divine Manifestors Circle at $14.14 a month. So the Divine Manifestors Circle is my monthly membership that you can join, access, and be part of that wonderful group. And we do lots of different things and training in there. We've done inner child work. There are lots of valuable things in there for you to access as well. Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing this screen. So if you've got any questions about the course or about the Divine Manifestor Circle, then please ask your questions below. I'll put the links in as well for you to access it. As I said, at the moment, there is no sales page, so the link will take you straight to the checkout. I will be working on a sales page today, so I'll put that in. I'm also going to put the slides in separately as well, so you don't have to keep watching this to find out what's included. And I will put that in as posts in the group and on my timeline. So I really, really hope that you want to come on this journey with me and be the first people to really work deep with this, because it will be deep, you know, there may be some triggering stuff going on with it. That's what it's about, because we want to access the part of you that is aligned with your desires. The way we do that, you have to do some kind of a little bit hard work to get there, but it is going to be amazing. This will be the most transformative 4 weeks of your life. I guarantee it. Okay. So I'm going to love you and leave you, let you digest what I've been talking about. And hopefully I will see you in the Manifest Your Dream Life course. Speak to you soon.